All right, let me go ahead and give you the solution for the exercise. So for testing this method, let's go ahead and create a new test right here. So test, and then should select customer by phone and then number. And it seems that we already have, oh, actually, sorry, if I delete this. So remember, we actually did create the method, but never implemented it. So let me go ahead and grab this. And what you'll find out with tests is you're going to be copying and pasting a lot of code, right? Because you can reuse most of these things. So now let's go ahead and actually save the customer as well. So let me copy that. And right here, so this is actually when we invoke our method. So when, and then select customer by phone number 000, and let's actually grab all of this. Or actually, let's grab all of that and let's paste it there. And this will be select by phone number and then 0000. And what I'm going to do is extract this to a variable. So all the two occurrences, phone number, and let me delete that. And now let me indent this, and there we go. Also, let me go ahead and add another test. So right here, I'm going to copy this and then paste it here. Should not select, oh, actually, yeah, should not, and then select customer by phone number when number does not exist. There we go. And then here, what I'm going to do is the following. So I'm going to delete all of that as well as the customer. And then right here, so right here, I'm going to pretty much remove that and then say is not present. So given that we never save the customer, so when we get the customer by phone number, then it should not be present. So let's test the first one first. There we go, that works. Let's also test the second method or test method. And you can see that this also works. Now let me prove it to you that our query is actually working. So if I go back to the customer repository, and here, let me simply change this to ID, for example. And if I now run the test again, so it should select customer by phone number, this should fail. There we go. You can see that it failed. And if I show you, so right here, optional to contain value, but it's empty, right? It didn't find anyone with that ID. So let me put that back. Just like that. And now I can go ahead and run all the tests, all the unit tests within this class. So simply run the class. And there we go. So you can see that we have written 5 tests. This is all for this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop me a message. Otherwise, let's move on.